are finally back on the water. It has been so long since I've talked to you guys, since we've been on the water. We're finally back. Where have I been for this past year? Because I haven't posted on YouTube for nearly over a year. So for the past 540 days, my family and I have been working on our sailboat home. It has been out of the water on the hard stand in Mexico. That is what I have been doing for this past year, where I've been, and well, now we're finally back on the water and I'm gonna start filming for you guys again. So basically what we've been doing is just making our boat safe and giving it a bit of a refresh. A lot of work needed to be done, and yeah, that is what we did. We didn't only just do boat work. We went surfing in Costa Rica, saw the snow for the second time in Canada, and visited some family. We actually did a couple other things. So we have a cat now. His name is Morotai. Taj found him on the side of the road all alone, and he was a tiny little baby, and well, we brought him home and we've had him ever since. His name is Morotai. We named him after our favourite place in Indonesia. Yes, so this is our baby. So on the 20th of January 2025, we finally put Catalpa 2 back in the water after a very long time. And well, that moment was so great. Finally happening. We're moving and we're just about to be put into the big swing thing that puts us back in the water. And that's it. We're leaving. We are leaving. It has been a long time coming. We're out of here. Bye, Penasco. Oh my god. 500 and something days later. And we are leaving. New adventures are coming.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore.
This morning at 2 AM we arrived at our very first anchorage since being back on the water. It is very exciting. And well, I hope you guys enjoyed. That is the end of today's video. It has been a long time since I've posted and I'm gonna keep trying to post this year, so subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I post. Love you guys, bye.